How to cancel MGM Plus subscriptions. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch settings on your device. Then you need to navigate to your account and find subscription option. If you are using the iOS devices, you will easily get the subscription option. You simply need to tap on subscription to view your active subscriptions. If you have an MGM Plus subscription, it will appear on this section. You simply need to select MGM Plus and tap cancel subscription. And to confirm, you have to simply select confirm button and your subscription will be successfully cancelled. But currently on this Android device, the option is not available right now. So, from this way, you can easily cancel MGM Plus subscription if you are on iOS devices. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.